Hello students, welcome to Ranked Sir. In this video, we will be discussing about ozone layer. Right? See, by this lockdown, from one of the current affairs will be ozone layer. See, how to read the current affairs. That means for the examinations or any level of examinations, current affairs ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ డౌట్ ఏంటంటే కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడం ఎందుకంటే లాస్ట్ 3-4 months నుంచి ఓన్లీ there is one current affairs that will be కరోనా రైట్ సో ఈ టైంలో మనం ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా అడిగే అవకాశం ఉంది దాని ప్రకారం చూసుకుంటే ఈ లోపల మనకు కొన్ని న్యూస్ వచ్చాయి న్యూస్ ఏంటంటే ఓజోన్ లేయర్ అనేది రిప్లీట్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఓజోన్ లేయర్ కి హోల్ పడింది ఆ హోల్ పడిందంతా కాస్త అగైన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ టు ద నార్మల్ స్టేజ్ అంటే ద హోల్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ క్లోజింగ్ రైట్ సో అది మనం తీసుకుంటే సో దాంట్లో నుంచి మనల్ని క్వశ్చన్ ఎలా అడుగుతారు హౌ they'll ask the question from the closure of the hole of ozone. So for that we should be discussing, actually we should be knowing what actually is an ozone layer. So what is ozone layer? See, ozone layer is a part of atmosphere, right? So we everyone know that earth is having something called as atmosphere. See, atmosphere is divided into many layers, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere and exosphere, right? In the stratosphere we have a small layer called as ozone layer where we'll be having something called as O3. That means if I take from the bottom of surface of the earth, see this will be up to 8 to 16 meters, this will troposphere. Above troposphere we'll be having something called as stratosphere. In the stratosphere we will be having something called as ozone layer. Why we are having ozone layer? Because ozone layer will be stopping harmful UV radiations. Be very careful, they will be stopping something called as harmful UV radiation, right? See, again I am repeating the statement. What is ozone layer doing? Ozone layer is stopping harmful UV radiations. So be very clear, ozone layer anni UV radiation ఆపట్లేదు, దేని ఆపుతుంది? ozone layer is only stopping harmful. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనం UV radiation తీసుకోవాలి. సో తీసుకుంటే in the UV we will be having UVA, UVB and UVC. ఇందులో which is harmful is UVC is harmful for the human beings or the life. అంటే what ozone layer is doing? Ozone layer is only stopping UVC. అంటే ozone layer UVA నాపట్లేదు, UVB నాపట్లేదు. Ozone layer is only stopping UVC because in the electromagnetic radiation energy increases from left to right. అంటే from the microwaves to the gamma rays. ఇలా in the electromagnetic radiation will be having microwaves, radio waves, microwaves, IR, visible light, UV, then X-rays, gamma rays. ఇలా తీసుకుంటే లెఫ్ట్ నుంచి రైట్ వరకు మనకు ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో UVC will be having more amount of energy. So what ozone layer is stopping? Ozone layer is stopping only UVC. So again this will be a question, one of the question in the examination. So what ozone layer is stopping? Ozone layer is only stopping UVC. UVC ని మాత్రమే అదే ఆపుతుంది. So UVC is stopped. So ఏమవుతుంది? Why? What will happen if UVC will be coming to the at surface? Our human skin cannot take the UVC rays ni మన హ్యూమన్ స్కిన్ తీసుకోలేదు and there will be burns, and even UVC is very problematic for the ecosystems and biomes. So ecosystems కి ecology కి UV rays చాలా ఇబ్బంది కలిగజేస్తుంది కాబట్టి UVC ని ఓజోన్ ఆపుతుంది. At the same time even UV rays are very harmful for the buildings. అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ రేడియేషన్స్ లో లైఫ్ కి ఏవి మంచివి? రేడియో వేవ్స్, మైక్రోవేవ్స్, IR, విజిబుల్ లైట్ తర్వాత UV రేడియేషన్స్ మనకు మంచివి కాదు. దట్ ఈస్ వై ఫ్రమ్ ద సన్ when electromagnetic radiation is coming, see X-rays and gamma rays పైన near the exosphere and magnetosphere అక్కడే they will be stopped by the exosphere and magnetosphere, but UV rays will be coming up to stratosphere. In the ozone layer UV rays will be stopped. So are we clear? అంటే ozone layer దేన్ని ఆపుతుంది? Ozone layer is only stopping UVC. దీని వల్ల దేనికి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది? By the UVC what are the effects? Effects is one will be soil fertility will be damaging, second will be having skin cancers and other problems, skin cancers and other problems for the human beings and animals. Then we'll be having disturbance in the ecosystems, and even buildings will be having some effects. So these are the effects of the UVC radiations. In this major effect will be skin cancer. By this like even some of the animals will be dying. So that is why it is stopping something called as UVC. But today what happened? Due to the usage of something called as CFC. What is CFC? CFC is nothing but chlorofluorocarbons. What is CFC? CFCs are nothing but chlorofluorocarbons. See, మన ఎగ్జామ్ పరంగా బ్లైండ్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే ఎనీ కూలెంట్ ఏదైతే చల్లపరుస్తుంది, రైట్, ఏదైతే కూలెంట్స్ మీద యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, లైక్ రిఫ్రిజిరేటర్స్ కానీ ఏసీస్ కానీ దేంట్లో అయితే మన కూలెంట్స్ ఉంటాయో దే విల్ బి రిలీజింగ్ సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ as CFCs. సో వెన్ CFCs విల్ బి రిలీజ్, CFCs అంటే ఏంటి, క్లోరిన్ క్లోరోఫ్లోరో కార్బన్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే CFCs release అవుతాయో the CFCs will escape into the stratosphere, right? Even CFCs will be released by something called as jet planes, because jet planes are the only things which will be traveling in the stratosphere. So jet planes నుంచి మనం వాడే ఎయిర్ కండిషన్స్ నుంచి ఎప్పుడైతే CFCs వస్తాయో the CFCs will be escaping to the stratosphere and they will be going to the ozone layer. When they will go to the ozone layer, these CFCs will be reacting with the ozone and they will be forming something called as oxides of chlorine as well as fluorine. ఎప్పుడైతే ఓజోన్ ఫార్మేషన్ విడిపోతుందంటే O3 will be in a special formation. Whenever this Cl will go and react with the O3, ClO2 will be formed. అంటే అక్కడ మనకి ఏం ఏర్పడింది, will be having something called as hole. అలా there is a very big hole on something called as Antarctic, on something called as Antarctic, and recently there is other hole also discovered that hole will be on the Arctic Circle. Ante see in the earth near the poles we are having holes. That means holes are present near the poles. See here, major important question. Why? Because see, if I take this as the earth, see, most of the countries will be present in this area. Most of the countries will be present in this area. But first hole is found in Antarctica, then in Arctic, right? So if countries are present near equator, why hole is in Arctic area or the Antarctic area? Why hole is in Arctic area or the Antarctic area? Because see, our Earth, our atmosphere is not. For example, if this is that, our atmosphere is not like this. That means if I take this as that, our atmosphere is not like this, because the shape of the earth is not circle. Shape of the earth is geode. When shape of the earth is geode, that means earth is bulged at the equator and it is flattened at the pole. So even troposphere will be like this and even stratosphere will be like this. That means even ozone layer will be near to the earth, near the poles. That means near the poles it will be at a near distance to that, near the equator it will be at a far distance, as it is very near to that, near the poles. So first hole was discovered in Antarctic region, but by the Montreal Protocol, which aimed on the ozone layer depletion. This Montreal Protocol made most of the developed countries to reduce the CFCs. So when we started reducing the CFCs, slowly the again hole started repleting, and by this in the recent times also the repleting of the holes became very very fast and hole started closing itself. Are we clear? That means ozone hole is been closing because we reduced something called as CFCs. Are we clear? So where is ozone layer? Ozone layer is present in the stratosphere. So be very careful. See, most important point is ozone layer is independent of global warming. Global warming is separate issue and ozone layer is a separate issue. So students, be very careful. Ozone layer ni global warming is kalapkandi, because there are many questions. Global warming ekku avadam valla ozone layer lo holes ekku padtayi. So global warming is completely different because ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ కూడా మన గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ రాలేదు, రైట్? సో ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో విల్ బి డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ ద గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్ అండ్ CHGs, that is greenhouse gases. But presently be very careful that global warming ki ozone layer ki asalu sambandham ledu. So are we clear? So this is about the ozone layer and its depletion and the repletion of the ozone layer. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Download the Ramkazab app now for full courses.